Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to edit pic for Deepawali. So for this we are going to use the application. This is PicsArt. So you need to open this application. So click on edit a photo and you can select any of the photo. I will select this photo here. So after selecting a photo you need to click on sticker. Here you can see. Now search as lights. Scroll down and you will find a light sticker here. Yeah, so I will select this light here. Click on back side of this sticker and maximize the size. Yeah, so now click on blend here and you will find multiple option here. You can see. So I will go with multiply option here. Okay, here, and now I will click on this eraser icon on the top. Here you can see, and I will remove this light from my body. Here you can see. So you can adjust it. So for now I am just doing it randomly, so you can do it more carefully to make it more beautiful. And you can also add a effect and saturation to this photo to make it more attractive. So now the Deepawali pic is ready. You can click on the tick mark and you can click on save. So now this photo is saved to gallery. So this is how you can edit your Deepawali pic very easily. So if you want me to make more videos on Deepawali edit, then let me know in comment section. Thank you.